Hi, those are the chords to St. James Infirmary. Originally this was a folk song, I guess way back when, according to Wikipedia. But in 1928 it was a huge hit for Louie Armstrong. And it's been a blues standard ever since. Besides that, what's interesting about it from our point of view is an 8-bar blues instead of a 12-bar blues. And it's a minor blues, so we get to use minor chords. I'm tuned to G, G, D, G. The original key was D minor, but it's been done in a whole bunch of keys. So we're going to do it in C minor. You can play it with just one finger, but I'll show you the slightly more advanced chords. But every chord I do, you can just do with one finger if you want. And a lot of them are already one-finger chords. And the same goes for slide. You can use slide no problem with this song. So I'll take you through the chord progression. It's very straightforward. C minor is 5, 5, 8. Play that twice. 1, 2. And then you play G open twice. 3, 4. Back to C minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first and third line of the song. The next line starts the same. C minor twice. A flat. Some would call it G sharp, but A flat twice. Then G twice, that's 1, 2, and then 3, 4 if you want. You can add the third fret of the middle string, which is an F note, and makes this a G7 chord. So I'll play that second line for you because it's a little more complicated. Okay, third line of the song is C minor again, G again, C minor for 4 beats. This is the last line of the song. It's a variation, and of course it's basically a turnaround because you start the song again afterwards. It starts on the A flat, G twice, C minor 4 times. And it is a very slow song. About that speed. Okay, so adding some licks. What we're going to do is on the first line, we're going to add this lick. 0, 3, 5, 8, 5, 3. So we start with the chords, C minor. And what I'm doing there is I'm hitting it, hammer on, sliding to here, hitting the 8, 5, keeping a rhythm of the song so that it comes in right for the chord. So. Like that. And then on the second line, and that's open, 3, 1, 0 on the middle, 3 on the low, which brings us back to the C minor. Now you could do the same like I did, or you can do it here. Well, octave higher, this is a G note, and that was a G note. So here I do a hammer on, like that. Then you're ready for the last one. I'll play that for you. Hope you have a lot of fun with that 8-bar minor blues. Have a great day. Bye.